Most people don't know this, but none of the images you are seeing right now on the screen were generated with Nano Banana, Seedream, Wan, Nano Banana Pro, Kling, or any of the popular AI image generation tools, This tool is very underrated and it is also uncensored and free. Don't you think this is a great find for you? I'm going to walk you through this tool in this video, so make sure you stay watching to the end to know the name of the tool. I'll also show you how to use it to create uncensored videos and images. In this video, I'm also going to show you how to sell and monetize your AI generated videos and how you can use them to create and grow AI influencers. So this is the interface of the two we're going to be talking about today. At the top right, you click on Start Creating. Now, if you don't want to use your Google email because you want to stay anonymous, you can come to this website I'm about to show you. Click on the New Tab button on your browser and search for Temp Mail. The first one is the one I usually use, but you can explore others if you wish. So click on Temp Mail. This is where it generates your email. Then you click on Copy to your clipboard. After that, you come back to the tab and enter it to sign up with your email. Automatically, it sends a confirmation email to your Temp Mail. Coming back here, you'll see it over here. Then you confirm it and verify your address. Next, you can put your full name if you wish. I'm going to go with suggest because I don't have the energy for that. Finish, and it has finished logging in, guys. Now, this is where the magic is going to be created on this page. You're going to choose the tool we want to work with, which is creating images. So here is where you're going to paste your prompt, then click on send. But before that, you can choose to put a reference or attach a file here. What this reference does is that it allows you to create different views of reusable references, and you can give it a name for multiple use cases so that the character stays consistent. So we are going to try it out. You can choose to add more if you wish, but I'm just going to go with this and click on save. Now we are going to use the reference, so we click on create. Let us see what this tool can do. This is so amazing, guys. The tool has been generating and you can see what it was able to create for us. Very nice vintage images. It's very nice, guys, as you can see. Now we are going to click on the prompt box and let's create one uncensored image, a man shaving. After you do that, it starts creating it for you. You see the kind of images this tool is able to create. It's very amazing and realistic. You can also choose to upscale it here to make it even sharper. And if you ask me, guys, not many uncensored AI tools can do that. Let's create one more uncensored prompt here. With this tool, you can create as much as you want. This is what we were able to generate, uncensored images, very, very realistic ones like that, as you can see. You can choose to create as much as you want. Now we are going to use these images that we have created to generate a video.
Down the dusty trail where the wild winds wail, we ride and sing, let the freedom ring.
So after previewing the videos, you can see that we are able to create even more images with this tool. We can do whatever we want with this tool, generate it however we want, as you can see over here. So guys, I also wanted to tell you all about this tool called Fan View. With this tool, you can create your uncensored AI content and post it here and make money while doing that. This is so wonderful, guys. You can see the kind of images that are here already, and this creator over here, Tina, has over 500k followers and is making a lot of money on FanView. You can generate as much uncensored content as you want, and nobody will even know that these are made with AI. You can try this tool out, sign up over here, and find out what this tool can do for yourself.